Hi everybody, my name is Nicole Boyle and I currently work as a psychiatric rehabilitation worker through a county agency in central Pennsylvania. Three assets that I feel that I have that will help me as a social worker and in general just help in this class are that I'm detail oriented. I feel like it's important to pay attention to details, especially in social work, just to make sure that your work is accurate and organized. I also feel that I am able to work collaboratively with people. At my current job, I work with one other person. We run groups 3 days a week, and 2 days a week we work individually with people. And I just feel like it's important to be able to work collaboratively with others, just to see their point of view. I feel like social work, there's so many different theories and ways to go about practicing social work that it's important to be able to be collaborative and hear what other people are doing and how they do it. And lastly, I feel that another asset that I have is just organization and being organized. I feel like when things aren't organized, it's a little bit chaotic and it makes my life more stressful. So it's just easier for me to keep everything organized and to know where everything is. And I feel like that is an important characteristic that I have. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody's videos and learning more about each of you, and looking forward to this class. Thank you.